You have probably heard the rule. Just put 32 PSI in your tires. The problem is that the number is wrong for most vehicles. The wrong tire pressure costs you money in fuel, tire life, and safety every single day. Here are 7 hidden reasons why using 32 PSI is actually a profit trap and how to set the correct pressure. The door jamb sticker tells the truth. Every vehicle has a tire pressure sticker on the driver door jamb. Its job is to show the exact PSI engineered for that specific car. When you ignore this sticker and use a generic 32 PSI value, the tire runs outside its designed range. Your suspension and tires no longer work as intended. The result is poor handling and uneven tire wear. How to fix it? Open the driver door and look at the sticker on the jamb. Read the PSI for front and rear tires. Match these numbers exactly. The values are usually different by a few PSI between front and rear. Inflate each tire to the correct number with a quality digital pressure gauge. A digital gauge costs under $15. The tire sidewall PSI is the maximum. The PSI printed on the tire sidewall is not your recommended pressure. Its job is to show the absolute maximum the tire can hold before damage occurs. When drivers see 44 PSI on the sidewall, they think that is the target. Running tires at maximum pressure makes the ride harsh and wears the center of the tread faster. How to fix it? Ignore the sidewall PSI for daily driving. Use only the door jamb sticker value for normal use. The sidewall number is for technical reference only. Tire shops use this number to verify the tire is not damaged, not to set inflation. Always check pressure with a calibrated gauge in the morning before driving. Tire shops profit from underinflation. Tire shops sell new tires when old ones wear out fast. Their job is to keep tires moving across their counter. When you run at 32 PSI on a car designed for 35 or 36 PSI, the tire flexes more on each turn. Heat builds up inside the rubber. The tire wears unevenly along the edges and shortens its life by thousands of miles. How to fix it? Check pressure once a month and before any long trip. Cold morning pressure gives the most accurate reading. Inflate to the door jamb number with the engine off. Even a single PSI below specification accelerates tread wear over time. Quality tires cost between $100 and $300 each, so correct pressure is real savings. Gas stations profit from low PSI. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance against the road. Their job at correct pressure is to roll smoothly with minimal friction. When pressure drops, the contact patch increases and the engine works harder to move the vehicle. Fuel economy drops by up to 3% for every 2 PSI of underinflation. Every tank of gas costs more than it should. How to fix it? Track your fuel economy for 1 month before and after correcting tire pressure. The difference is visible on the dashboard fuel readout. Correct pressure can save $15 to $20 per tank on highway driving. Use a tire gauge after every long trip and every cold front to keep pressure exactly where it should be. Cold weather drops pressure. Naturally, tire pressure drops about 1 PSI for every 10° Fahrenheit drop in temperature. Its job in winter is to compensate for shrinking air volume inside the tire. When a cold morning arrives, your 35 PSI tire suddenly reads 30 or less. The TPMS light may even trigger. Driving on cold, low tires harms handling and wears the tread faster. How to fix it? Check tire pressure every 2 weeks during cold months. Inflate to the door jamb value in the morning before driving. Do not check pressure after the car has been driven, since hot tires read several PSI higher than cold. Most gas station air pumps cost $1, but can save you hundreds in fuel and tire wear. Mechanics profit from wear. Incorrect tire pressure affects more than tires. Tires are designed to absorb specific road impact at their correct PSI. When pressure is too low, the suspension takes more shock. Bushings, ball joints, and shocks wear faster. Mechanics see more suspension work from cars driven on bad pressure. A few PSI off shortens the life of expensive suspension parts. How to fix it? Combine monthly tire pressure checks with a visual suspension inspection. Look for uneven wear patterns on tires. Sidewall cracks or scuffed inner edges point to incorrect pressure damage. Correcting pressure now prevents hundreds of dollars in suspension repairs later. A complete suspension inspection at a shop is also worth scheduling once a year. Insurance companies charge more. Worn tires cause more accidents than any other tire-related issue. Tires at correct pressure last longer and grip better in rain and snow. Their job is to maintain safe contact with the road at all times. When pressure is wrong, treads wear unevenly and grip drops. Insurance claims rise. Premiums creep up year after year for drivers who skip basic tire maintenance. How to fix it? Inspect tread depth using a penny test once a month. Insert a penny upside down into the tread groove. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, the tire is at or below two 32-inch tread and needs replacement. Combine this with monthly pressure checks. Quality tire care saves on tires, fuel, suspension, and insurance over time.